it's IMEE and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video guys, we're going to do a thrift flip again from this super overdress here into this cutie dress right here. So without further ado, let's do the sa may waistline natin para ma-lessen yung width nung sa waistline natin kasi sobrang malaki masyado yung sa waistline natin. So, bale 17 inches width na lang pag mag-a-add tayo ng 3 inches.
baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh,
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share this to your friends. And we're done. Let's now see the final transformation.